Every once in a while, you walk into a place and something in your heart whispers, this could be home. Welcome to this breathtaking 3-bedroom bungalow by Amara Realty, where comfort, beauty, and peace come together to create a sanctuary for you and your family. Right from the entrance, the home welcomes you with intention, a warm cloakroom for your guests, and a doorway that opens into light, space, and possibility. Look at this living space. Expansive windows invite the sun in, filling the home with life. This is where birthdays will be celebrated, where late night conversations will flow, where love will grow. This isn't just a living room, it's the heart of your memories. And here is the soul of every home, the kitchen. Thoughtfully designed, beautifully finished, and ready for warm meals, laughter, and the quiet memories that make a house feel alive. Let's step into the bedrooms, each one exquisite, private, and crafted with care. These rooms where children will dream, where guests feel welcome, and where peace meets comfort. And this is the master bedroom, a true retreat. The bathroom skylight allows natural light to pour in as you start your day, reminding you that life can be beautiful, soft, and full of grace. It's a space designed for healing, for rest, and for rediscovering calm. You also get a self-contained DSQ, practical, private, and functional. And with a 50 by 100 or a 100 by 100 plot, your dreams have space to grow. A garden, a play area, a quiet corner under the sky, whatever your heart longs for, you've got it. This isn't just a house, it's a place where laughter will echo, where milestones will be celebrated, where you'll wake up every day grateful to call it yours. If your heart feels at peace here, trust it. Start your journey home today. Your forever home is waiting.
Amara Realty, for your peace of mind.